There's a lot of deals going on right now because of Amazon's Prime Day on both Adorama and B&H, and in today's video I wanted to go over what some of those deals are and why you might want to grab some. The first deal that I want to talk about is the biggest deal that I've seen today, and that's going to be the bundle that consists the Godox 8600 Pro, the XPLOR Pro TTL, a 28-inch Octabox, and a FLASHPOINT C-stand, and all of this usually costs around $1,200, but today it's going to be $900. That's pretty crazy considering the fact that the light by itself usually costs $900. So if you guys were considering getting the light, the 8600 Pro, then you definitely want to get it today because you're going to get a free 28-inch Octabox and a free FLASHPOINT C-stand. The next two deals that I want to talk about are the Godox 8600B, the XPLOR TTL. That's going to be on sale for $600, which is $150 off, and the Godox 8600BM, the XPLOR Manual, which is going to be on sale for $423, which is $126 off. These two lights are basically the same light, but one is going to offer TTL while the other doesn't. So in case you don't ever find yourself using TTL, then you definitely want to go ahead and just get that manual version. But if you do use TTL, or if you shoot very fast-paced weddings or events in general, then you definitely do want TTL because since it's basically in auto mode, you can just worry about shooting and not so much the output of the light. This next deal is one that I actually just made a video on. In case you guys haven't seen it, you can check it out in this corner of the screen. And that's going to be the dual Godox 8200 setup using the ADB2 attachment. And this is going to be on sale for $650 today when it usually costs $800. In case you guys don't have any lights whatsoever, I highly recommend you get this light setup because it offers so much, and I go into detail about all that it offers in my video on this light setup, so be sure to check that out. But let's say for example that you already have a Godox 8200 and you just need one more. Well, the Godox 8200 by itself is going to be on sale in two different options. You have the Godox 8200 with the kit, which is the gels and the grid. That's going to be on sale for $300, and the option of the Godox 8200 by itself, that's going to be on sale for $30 less as well at $270. When it comes to the speedlight deals, there's a lot of them out there, so I'll just let you guys browse the deals on both the links in the description area below from B&H and Adorama. But I did want to highlight one of the deals, which is the Godox V862, the FLASHPOINT lithium ion TTL speedlight. It's a mouthful. That's on sale for $143, which is $36 off. Another light that's on sale today is the Godox 8362, which Adorama calls the FLASHPOINT Streak Light TTL. And this light is going to be on sale for $400 today when it usually costs $500. In case you guys haven't heard of this light before, it's basically a slightly bigger version of a speed light that offers 300 watts of power and has a battery pack. And that battery pack is actually the biggest benefit of this light because on a single charge, it has 1800 full powered shots. So in case you guys want to do a couple of photo shoots and shoot a couple of weddings, you could probably do so with just this one light. So now that we talked about strobes and speedlights, I did want to talk about other important things regarding off-camera flash, which is going to be stands and modifiers. Although there's a lot of deals regarding light stands right now, there's just one that I wanted to highlight because it's my favorite stand of all time, and that's going to be the FLASHPOINT C-stand, which is on sale today for $100, which is $30 off. And when it comes to modifiers, there's also a lot of deals out there, especially on Adorama with their Easy Lock series. So I'll just let you guys browse those deals using the links in the description area below. But I did want to highlight just one modifier because it's my all-time favorite, and that's the 38-inch glow PARAPOP by Adorama. This modifier usually goes for $220, but today it's $40 off at $180, and I highly recommend you guys take advantage of this deal because it's my favorite modifier for a couple of different reasons. The fact that it has very soft light, it's very lightweight and portable, and it opens and closes very quickly. That's pretty much all the deals that I want to talk about today. If you guys are not already following me on Facebook or Instagram or part of my lighting group on Facebook, then I definitely recommend you guys do so because I post all of the deals there first so you guys can get a heads up on all of the deals that might come later on this year. Alright, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next one.